So good morning students, here I'll welcome you for our virtual class. Our today's topic is a idiom. Idiom is what is a simple kind of phrases, okay, so that we use our daily life. But here actual meaning is totally different with the meaning we wanted to get it. Just like in an introduction part we have done the old is gold, that action speaks louder than words, trees are known by their fruits. So we know this all. Okay, we know this all, but word to word meaning is different. Word to word meaning is different, but there is a deep meaning in that. So which one is that? Here I'll let you know. An idiom means and it's expression, student, it's a word, it's a phrase that only has a meaning to the native speaker. Native speakers means from our daily life, with the daily experience we usually use it. Okay, so they do not mean exactly what the words they say, but there is a meaning is hidden. There is a great meaning is hidden in this. So this idiom said time gate flies. Time is not a bird. It never flies. It's not a bird. But how when the bird flies, it goes away. It goes from far away from it. It's never come back. In the same way, time is also never come back. So that's why sometimes we compare this time before time with a cloud, with a bird. So that's why we say time flies. Beat the clock. Beat the clock, it means we never damage our class. हम लोग clock फोड़ तो नहीं देंगे. So beat the clock. Beat the clock means we can do our work before the time. We are supposed to complete our work before the time, or else go continuously, just like how the clock, how the time works continuously. We can also supposed to continue work continuously. Better late than never. A stitch in time saves nine. A stitch in time. मतलब हम लोग तो टेलर तो है नहीं, स्टिचिंग करते बैठेंगे तो it saves nine. It means that a stitch in time means if you will do work on time, so it will not overburden on you. Take the example you all. आज प्रोजेक्ट सबमिशन है, कल रात भर बैठ के आप लोग ने किया रहेगा. Okay, so if you have done this work before, so it means that if you will stitch, then it's going to be save your time. Here the meaning is different. See, by this in this picture you will come to know that this girl is saying that I want to help to that lady, because help to others, it's very good thing. Okay, it means she goes on thinking only. And here one boy already helped. He's trying to help that old lady. It means that she's only thinking and this boy is already done his work. So it means that action speaks louder than words. So here they have given at the drop of hat. At the drop of hat means what? Means you have to do work, don't keep it at the last moment. Okay, because a drop of hat, this agar hum log upar se hat dalte, so how it comes down, so it means that we have to do work as soon as possible. Here the word, mostly this phrase is used by me, the ball is in your court. The ball is in your court means that now opportunity is with you. If the ball is in your court, it means you can do anything with that ball. You keep with yourself, you throw it out, or you play with it. Means the total decision is taken by you. What you are supposed to do with that. In the same way, we are comparing this phrase with our situation. It means that everything is in my hand. वो मेरे हाथ में है. मुझे क्या करना है? मुझे अगर उस अपॉर्चुनिटी को या लूज करना है, विन करना है, what I supposed to do? Everything is in my hand. So that's why they say ball is in your court. Don't cry over spilt milk. अभी देखो अगर मिल्क नीचे गिर जाता है, So you never did, you cannot do anything. तो रोते नहीं बैठना है, अरे मेरा दूध नीचे गिर गया क्या करें, अरे क्यों रोने का, गिर गया तो तुम पी तो नहीं सकते. So that's why don't cry. Means if anything is happened, if you miss the opportunity, so you're not supposed to cry on that. You have to get up and you have to go ahead. Okay, it means that in idioms or in phrases, some phrases, famous phrases, the meaning is different. Word to word meaning is different, but in that the meaning is hidden more. So here you say that old is gold. So old is gold मतलब जो पुराना होता है वो सोना होता है, ऐसा नहीं. See, whatever if you are facing a problem in your life, the best suggestion is given by your parents, your grandparents, because they have gone through with all these things. They all have gone through with this. So that's why old is gold. Take the example. जैसे कि एक just in 19 some decade ago, एक बार एक क्रिकेटर में he made a three centuries with a one bat. Okay, अब वो bat sale पे है. You know very well what is the cost of that bat? 30 crores. क्योंकि वो पुरानी बैट है, टीचर 30 crores हम क्यों वेस्ट करेंगे. Okay, but because 250 में न्यू बैट आ जाती है, but still it is old and there is a history behind it. So that's why the people says the old is gold. Here there are few words they have given that the action speaks louder than words. Okay, so what is the exact meaning of this action speaks louder than words? It means people intentions can be judged better by what they do than what they say. Just like we have seen a picture that the one girl, she's trying that I wanted to help her, we have to help the old people, and here one guy is already helping. So it means that action speaks louder than words. An arm and a leg. An arm and a leg means it is very expensive, because we can, without for any condition we cannot give our arm and leg because it's so costly. So it is, if the thing is very expensive, if it is not in your budget, you don't have enough money to purchase that. So at that case, you can use this phrase idiom, an arm and a leg. At the drop of a hat. At the drop of a hat means without any hesitation. Means without any hesitation, you can ask the question. Back to the drawing board. Back to the drawing board मतलब क्या? If you have failed again, जैसे a failure is a stepping stone of success. Stepping stone we are there compare with a failure one, and we have to start again. Okay, so it means that it is just related to that, back to the drawing board. The ball is in your court, we have done. Beat around the bush. Beat around the bush means not speaking directly about an issue. Okay, you have, if you wanted to avoid a topic, किसी को पूछा, किसी ने कुछ भी इधर उधर का आंसर दिया, then you can say beat around the bush. Best of both worlds. Best of both worlds means सबसे best, all advantages. It is for best of both worlds. Bite of more than can chew. It means that if to take a task that is way too big to complete. मतलब बोलते हैं इन हिंदी वी से जितना चादर अपने जितना चादर है उतने ही पैर फैलाने चाहिए. अभी ठंडी का मौसम में चादर के बाहर फैलेंगे तो हम लोग को क्या होगा, ठंडी लगेगी. तो इसीलिए do as per this, or otherwise that's why it is same is that bite off more than you can chew. मतलब खाना मुंह में उतना ही लिया जा सके जितना तुम चबा सको. Okay, so it means that if you are able to take any task, take that much that you can complete. Can't judge a book by its cover. It already we have discussed with it. Don't count your chickens before they don't count your chicken before they hatch. मतलब देखो तुम्हारे पास सिर्फ eggs है, तुम लोग ये नहीं काउंट कर सकते these are my chicken. Hatch होने के बाद ही it becomes chicken. It means don't make a plan, something that might happen. Okay, so student, these are what sentences or the idiom that we have discussed. Rest we will discuss later on. Just give me a minute.